Hey everybody, welcome to Randy's Road Life. I am Randy, if you haven't already figured that out, but I know you did figure that out already. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hit the like button, please, so you can help me with the algorithm. And also, getting out there enough with the likes and the views helps these videos actually get on Google. That way it's easier to find these videos and to be informed. Also hit the notification button. That way when I do post these videos, you do get notified, obviously, because it's notifications. So I like to post videos about things that are easily understood, so you can be informed and then be able to comprehend information thoroughly and in a very easy way. So obviously you've seen the title, so that's why you clicked on this. And this is not a video explaining all the details of what you should do afterward, or all the intricate details. There are other videos that out there for that. This is just to get you in the door, okay? Now, for truck drivers and anybody else who wants to start a business, just depends on the state you're in, because you have to register your business with the state if the business resides in a state. So, for example, I live in Kentucky. I started my trucking business in the state of Kentucky, so I have to go on the Kentucky.gov and all that stuff, and one stop and register the business, organizer and administrator and the business name. And then they're going to look up your business name to make sure it's unique and one of a kind. That way you don't try to plagiarize anybody else's business name. So there's that. Then there's the address, and do you want to choose a LLC, a corporation, things of that nature. That's that type of information you're going to look up according to your preferences. How big your company's going to be, is just going to be you, things like that. That all plays in. In fact, you have employees, partners, all that plays into choosing which one, okay? So I am not an expert in that field. You'll have to get with someone else, consult with someone else about that. So what you're going to want to do is get an employer identification number from irs.gov. You're going to go there. You're going to see the tab, to start your own business. And to get an EIN number, you're going to do that. You're going to fill out all the appropriate things, just like you would a Kentucky, I did a Kentucky.gov. It's going to ask you pretty much all the same stuff. And it's going to give you a finished sheet, EIN, and download it to your phone, save it to your computer, and keep it as a file, or you print one out, put it in a file it away. You're going to need that. And then for your state, you do the same thing. You're going to get here in Kentucky, I don't know if it's like everywhere, it's a CBI. Then you're going to get an organization number that's tied to your business name. So then there's that. And there's obviously a fee for that. Here in Kentucky is $40. The one EIN for the United States, the federal, it's free. Now, here's the important thing about this. Why do you need this? Okay. I'm going to talk about funding, loans, business credit. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail about business credit because I don't know a lot about that. But you need these things to open up a business account at a bank. So, for example, my bank opened up a business account because they're going to need EIN and your state name and all that stuff, which they can get that online easily by looking you up, seeing that you have one. And then you deposit a little bit of money in your account to open it up, get you a business card, or a debit card or whatever with your business name on it. And then as your business accrues revenue monthly, you can start showing finance companies that you're being successful, you're making money, and therefore you can make them money if they do business with you. So it's easy to get financing for equipment, expansion, things like that, funding for the things that you need. Like if I want another truck and I show for a period of months, excuse me, I get so tired, that I've brought in so much amount of money every month consistently, that all matters. And then so with that, it helps you to expand, right? You need capital. So I didn't know I had that right there. Wow. So you need capital. That's the important thing. And you don't want to stick yourself out there so far you end up with too much overhead, and then business tanks as a result. So if you need funding, start small, figure out what you need, and then work with the small things. If I want another truck, a down payment on a decent truck is like 10 grand. Do I really want to, borrow 40,000 to go to an auction and purchase a truck? Do I want to do that? Or do I want to get 10 grand, go to a finance company and purchase the truck with the down payment and business credit from what I've done with my own business thus far? So there's that. Then there are companies who give you a line of credit, 100 grand, 200 grand, whatever, with their stuff. Best Buy, Lowe's, Home Depot, whatever, Fleet Pride, excuse me. You can get that type of stuff. You can get that business line of credit with those certain corporations and entities. And but you need to start the process first, the EIN, and through the feds, and then through your state, register with your state. But do not forget your taxes, people, because some places are going to want to know and want to see your taxes, right? Have you filed taxes on your business yet? Because that was going to show them what your year-to-date revenue is for, for that year. And it's going to show them the naked truth about your business. How much have you made this year since your business has been open and functioning? Oh, so sorry. I get up super early and I'm up all day. I got kids. Sue me, right? I love my kids. They're great, except when they're not. So, anyways, but that's what that's about. And so it's just to get your feet wet, or so to say, get you in the door, and then you can go to some of the people with more expertise than I do about the finer things that you need, the intricacies that you need. There's going to be some things I'm going to have to study and research and stuff like that, just like you're going to have to. So the steps I'm telling you are the steps I had to take. And so this is how the journey goes. You want to open up your own business, whether it's trucking or whatever else it is. This is the process. And do the process. Do it right. Do your research. Because there's no substitute for doing good research. Because when you cut corners, you are going to miss something. Don't cut corners. So your business will not be interrupted by a state agency or a federal agency saying that your business is not legal or incorrect, and then you have to go about correcting things. And we don't want those complications. All right, with that, don't forget to like and subscribe. I try to keep it simple for everybody because I like it simple for myself. So with that, I love you guys. Peace out. And believe in the Lord before you love him.